Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty with honesty, expertise, and a touch of curiosity. Today, we're focusing on a staple that can make or break your eye look, the LORAC Front Line PRO Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil in dark brown. This is a matte, long-lasting pencil designed to stay put through the day, even in humid conditions or tearful moments, and it comes with a built-in sharpener. It's also ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers, which is always reassuring. When I first got my hands on this eyeliner, I immediately noticed its creamy texture. Gliding it across the lash line was smooth, but it didn't feel oily or slippery, which helps prevent smudging before it sets. The pigment is rich and true to the dark brown shade, giving a soft, natural finish that's perfect for both everyday wear and more dramatic looks. Because it's waterproof, I tested it through a busy morning routine, a hot coffee run, and even a short workout, and it held up remarkably well with minimal fading. What's clever about this pencil is the attached sharpener. It ensures precision is always within reach, though I found that sharpening too frequently can slightly shorten the pencil quickly. It's a minor inconvenience, but something to keep in mind if you like to maintain a perfectly crisp tip. The pros are clear. Rich pigmentation, smooth application, strong waterproof performance, and eye-safe formulation for sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. On the flip side, it can be a little stiff at first, so warming it up on the back of your hand helps. Also, while it's long-lasting, it isn't completely smudge-proof on the lower lash line for oily skin types, so a light setting powder can help lock it in. In terms of value for money, it's positioned in the mid-range, but considering the quality, ophthalmologist-tested formula, and included sharpener, it feels justified. Compared to other high-end waterproof liners, LORAC delivers a similar performance without veering into the extreme price territory of luxury brands. The pencil itself is well constructed. The matte finish of the casing feels durable, and the sharpener integration is thoughtful. It's a small feature, but it elevates the overall usability. I haven't had to interact with customer service, but LORAC generally has a solid reputation for supporting its products. If you're exploring alternatives, there are more budget-friendly waterproof pencils available, but few hit the balance of smooth application, rich pigment, and eye safety that LORAC achieves. If precision and longevity matter to you, this pencil is a strong contender. So, what's the bottom line? The LORAC Front Line PRO Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil is a reliable, high-quality eyeliner that delivers consistent color and lasting wear. It's particularly suited for anyone seeking a dark brown matte liner that won't irritate the eyes or fade too quickly, making it perfect for daily wear or special occasions. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for joining me on Beautyistic today. If you've used this eyeliner, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.